Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I am going to share with you how simple everyday bottles can be recreated beautifully into stunning decor pieces. These are not just craft, they are messengers of sustainability, creativity and meaningful and mindful living. Instead of throwing away jars or bottles, we can give them new life through free cycle and DIY ideas. Let's see how these pieces can masterpiece and become a centerpiece in your home. When we recycle or free cycle, we not just reducing waste, we are sending a powerful message to the world. Each bottle can recreate, carries a story. Imagine it, a plain glass jar that once held something ordinary is now transformed into a glowing lantern, a vase, or a candle holder, or a pen holder. It's a way to saying beauty can be found anywhere if we only look closer. These bottles become messenger of hope, art and sustainability. Preparation. Start by cleaning your glass bottle or jar. Remove any labels and make sure the surface is smooth. Designing. Now comes the fun part. Wrapping jute or burlap around the bottle. You can braid the rope, add beads, or create macrame patterns. This will give it cozy handmade feels. Decoration about it. Add all small details, a dried leaf, a ribbon, or some lace. These touches bring warmth and individuality to each pieces. Now come to the light part. Lighting. Finally place a candle or fairy lights inside. Watch how the lights glow through the pattern. It looks good. Turning a simple bottle into a beautifully designed centerpiece. Benefits and inspiration. By recording bottles and by recreating, recycle it, you are not only saving money but also making eco-friendly decor that feels personal. These pieces are perfect for home decorations, gifts, and even for selling. If you are looking for small business ideas, this time is perfect for start your own business. Imagine a wedding table lit up with handmade lanterns or a cozy living room corner glowing with recycled bottles craft. They are affordable, sustainable, and full of characters. So next time you finish a jar or bottles, don't throw it away. Instead, let it become a messenger of creativity. Recreate it, free recycle it, make it beautifully designed, and let it shine. Let it shine as a centerpiece in your home. It would be really looks beautiful. Remember, when we create with love, even the simplest object tell the most powerful stories. Thank you for joining me today. Thank you for joining me today. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more creative ideas. If you like the video, if you like these types of ideas and designs, we will try to bring for you very best and beautiful ideas. So these designs are very beautiful and mindful. Remember, recycling is the most beneficial things in our world for earth and ocean also. Today I told you a little journey when ordinary bottles and jars become something extraordinary. These glass pieces that many of us toss away without a second thought can actually transform into messengers. Yes, messengers of creativity, sustainability, and mindful living. Though, and through free cycle and a little imagination, we can recreate these bottles into beautifully designed pieces that not only save the environment but also become a centerpiece in our home and gathering and even our business.